Oh, it's so wet. Chance to catch a cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash myself off.
Yeah.
You're still dancing for me.
Oh, really?
Oh wait, no, you're good. You're good.
I'm washing myself in the shower.
Nice.
I think you wash yourself faster in a bathtub or shower.
What?
I'm washing my stuff I'm washing myself fast in here. I'm like already done.
Do you have any soap on you? Probably have
Nope.
soap on you.
I don't have any soap on me. I think just washing yourself in the shower is just way better than washing yourself in the sink. Oh, I do need to get a new crowbar though. My crowbar's gonna die soon.
You're at crowbar?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Yeah, mine's down in the dumps right now. Orange, almost red.
Gotta smoke. Yeah, same. Smoking a cigarette in the shower. And wait, hold on in here. Yeah.
Eating a peach.
Not eating a peach in the shower.
Oops. Drinking some bourbon. Oh, you found a civilian bulletproof vest.
I did.
Oh, I'm jealous.
It was in the same thing as the ski mask. Look at this guy. Take a shower together.
I love you, bitch, and be hoes. What? Maybe I'm also a hoe. There's actually really a high possibility. But I
fucking love
don't
it.
give a fuck about all of those beans.
Some vaccines. Oh, I have something for you in this. You already have one.
Oh, thank you. Fuck yes.
Hell yeah.
Why can I not accept your... Oh, I'm too far away. Thank you. Yeah, we have hella comic books for whenever we get bored too.
Sweet.
Or whatever. Sad.
What? Place item.
Uh-oh. Someone needs to fart.
I think that's you.
Yep. Time to poot. Time to poot. Time to poot. And it's time to poot.
I like Putin. Not the Russian dictator, but like, you know, Putin with my butt.
I was about to say, whoa, look at this guy.
Bro,
Pro-Russia over here.
did you poop without me?
Nope.
Good. Watch.
Pooping.
I take off my mask to get the best view.
Oh wow, you're really watching now.
Yeah.
No!
Did you shit on the ground?
No!
Yeah, you shit on the ground.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
Fuck, this guy pooped on the floor.
God damn it. You're doing the African rainbow. Like while walking around. It's just
Oh, am I right now?
sometimes, not right now, but sometimes, yeah.
It just like
It's
stays a
really
little longer.
Start like glitching all over the place, but like while doing the African rainbow. It's really funny.
She's busy with a blood drive. Maybe I can help. How about I read you this?
Damn, I did not get a lot of carpentry from that video.
George used to be a
Me neither, man. That was bullshit.
Woodcraft
I didn't
number
even level
5
up to level 3.
sucks. Yeah, same.
That was a bad episode.
Woodcraft 5 worst episode. We gotta put it on. We gotta vote it on the IMDb page of Woodcraft. Give that episode like a 2 out of 5.
Yeah, facts. Facts, my bro.
Whoa, dude, check this out.
You get some
There's a
crazy stuff happening.
just come to where I am. I'm in like the balcony part of the bar.
One sec. Balcony part of the bar.
Who pissed on the floor? Just against that window, it's like there's no roof or something.
That's bizarre.
Hilk.
Hit.
Hilk.
Yeah, that's not concerning at all.
Should be fine.
Should be fine. It's totally fine.
It's alright. Don't worry about it. The less you worry about it, the less you'll worry about it.
Wow, that really made me feel better.
You see, I'm just.
You know, I think I'm just gonna stop worrying about stuff now.
There you go. See, that's the trick to living a good life. Stop worrying about anything, then you'll just stop worrying about everything.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait here while I forget everything that has ever happened to me.
Okay, it's going. Whew. That was easier than I thought it would be.
I want to be desensitized.
Yeah.
I want that sweet desensitization. Take another thing of bourbon.
Oh yeah.
Gotta ration the shit out.
Nah, we'll find more. Drink as much as you want.
What about when it's gone forever? Oh fuck, there's zombies outside. Get away from here.
Where are you here? Get away from here!
Hey, you! Hey! Have you chopped down some, trees at all yet?
Yeah, there's some trees that are chopped down. I still need to saw them.
Where?
Should we start building the barricade?
Yeah, I'm thinking that we should probably start doing that. I'll grab the wood axe.
I've already chopped down a good amount, but if you want to keep chopping, you're more than welcome to. I have everything else I need to start working on it.
You have like saws?
I have a saw, hammer, a screwdriver.
We have another saw? Maybe we can...
Yeah, we have like 3 saws.
Damn.
Want to chop down some trees up here for me real quick? Well, you still got that wood axe on you?
Yeah, no, for sure. Here, I'm just sawing some logs really fast. I'll do that in a second. A bunch of planks over here.
Nice. I also have a bunch over here. Starting on the back wall.
Very good. Very good. God, just still got my eyes on that daddy and the boy shit.
Daddy and the boy.
I was so excited when I found that. It's like, oh my god.
Yeah, I think the only disadvantage route with this place is like with the as for like building a barricade is that the other place at our last server, the fire station has the that chain link fence that already surrounds most of it. So I just want to make like one wall, but man, oof, I got some work ahead of me with this one.
This will be nice.
It will be. Of our own proper fortress.
And we'll make it to a carpentry level 4 in no time.
Yeah. Should try to find some woodcraft.
Where do you want planks? Where do you want me to drop planks?
Wherever. I mean, honestly, I keep forgetting that it's kind of more efficient to leave them as logs, and you put 4 logs in. It just takes so long to pick up planks.
Yeah,
I've learned it's better to just put 4 logs, like put as many logs as you can in your inventory and saw them, and the planks stay in your inventory. And then just like do the carpentry with the logs in your inventory. You know what I'm saying?
Or I can drop the logs,
Yeah,
like,
just
all near the one place, and then...
Yes, that. Yeah, basically just consolidate logs instead of turning them into planks first. I also did that. Sawed a bunch of logs and was like, oh right, I forgot how fucking long it takes to pick up like individual fucking planks. It's just kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a pain.
Yeah. Oh, that's what's wrong with me. I'm still carrying a bunch of stuff in my inventory, my dumbass. Oh shit, it's noon. Okay, it's commercial break.
What is going on here?
I don't know. It's noon, so TV's on. That's all I know.
You've been working so hard, you deserve
It's just
that
some
six
bullshit
figure
about
raise.
Tux the bear.
Are you sure it's not an ad break first? Because sometimes it's an ad break in the show.
What have you been doing?
A few minutes later.
Son of a bitch, you were right. It's nothing. I had hope.
Just
And what
some
do I
bull-
get? What do I get for having hope? Fucking bullshit.
Should probably hate something. We're working hard out there.
It's true.
God, man, I've been getting so bad at emptying out my inventory.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't know what's going on.
Maybe like get good.
Maybe like stop doing that, you know? Like me. Stop doing that.
I know.
I need to.
No, you're good. It happens. We'll organize stuff. It's just, I think the problem with this place is that we just don't, it's not a place we've put a base before, so we don't have this, like, ingrained sense of where everything should be.
Yeah.
Makes things a little tricky. Nice. Yeah, I was like, why am I so heavy? I can't hold that many planks. Not as many as I usually can. And I'm like, oh, backpack's full of stuff.
No, yeah, that just happened to me. Jesus, dude.
Oh, are you still sawing logs?
No. Am I doing the thing?
I think so. Just leave the logs. Oh my god, there's so many planks.
Yeah, a lot of planks.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Probably should have held back a little bit.
You know you're good. This will do me well.
I'm gonna have a fluid diet of just orange soda and alcohol. I'm gonna take the water bottle out of my inventory and just just be
Come on.
so horribly unhealthy. Do I need nails
Yes. For carpentry?
for making those
Yeah,
frames?
You
Yeah,
need nails to make basically anything.
getting more nails.
Yeah, we should have boxes of nails in that same drawer you got the hammer out of.
Yes. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ, we have many. I'm gonna grab 2 boxes. Just.
Oh.
Why not? Are we?
At that. So as far as it goes out on that side, that's where I'm stopping. I guess I'm splitting that little grass separator between us and the other parking lot perfectly in half, so that eventually we'll just build we can either tear down that wall or just build a gate there, if we eventually want to encompass the warehouse as well.
Word.
Just trying to have it. We have a nice little field area over here where we can bury our dead. I mean, we'll have multiple, but we'll probably have to bury a lot of dead. I mean, hopefully not, but we'll see.
Nothing better than a good old dead burying day.
Yup. I sure do love burying my dead. Oh shit, one of these should probably be a door in this corner. I'll put it right here, I guess. Ooh, also.
You're shitting over here.
Huh? No, don't look at me. Don't look at. I can't go if you're looking.
Why over here? Oh
I
man.
still like you being present for it. Makes me feel safe.
That was a gnarly fucking fart, dude.
I know. Hey, you just took the log out. You just saw the log I was about to put in my inventory.
Yeah, I cut down that tree, you know. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I know.
You're just coming around here, taking my fucking bit. Pooping near me.
I am uncomfortable.
I've been working on the railroad all the live long day.
This isn't a railroad, you fucking idiot.
Well, why couldn't it be? In your imagination, anything could be anything.
Fuck you, old man.
I've been working on the railroad. Live long day.
We don't like those who think differently from us. Hi, Charlie.
Hello, sir.
Have you been working on the railroad all the livelong day?
What are you fucking talking about? There's no railroad around here.
Shut the fuck up. Wow. Alright, Charlie. Whatever you say.
Charlie, I'm dying, Charlie. Charlie, I'm dying.
Oh no, Charlie. Ah?
What?
What? Who? What?
Do I hear a little voice talking to me in the night?
I think you might.
I've been working on.
Did you put the backs axe inside? Did you put the axe back inside?
No, I did not. I'll be back. I'm just gonna go get that generator.
Homie.
Oh, careful, bud.
Oh shit, sorry. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, holy shit. I just realized to make the big double doors, one of us has gotta get to level 6 carpentry.
Oh shit.
Forgot about that.
Have you watched all of the videos yet?
The ones we have.
No way, dude.
We only have 2. I've watched both of them.
I only have 2?
We
No
have
way.
we have 4 and 5, and 5 was that one that was super bunk.
Are you sawing logs right now?
Yep. No, the trick to carpentry that really helps you be more efficient is pick up as many logs as you can in your main inventory, which for me is 4, and then saw them while they're still in your inventory, and then just use the planks from there, because it takes so long to pick up. I think it takes about as long to pick up an individual plank as it takes to pick up an individual log.
Ah, okay.
So you just
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so it's like save time. Just keep the logs in your inventory while you saw them.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, I'm going to get inside soon. I might start catching a cold.
Oh, no, which one? Yeah, let's get all cozy inside. Just do a little chilling.
Start finishing. Just on these logs. Building these wall banisters.
Just doing some saw logging.